Alright, welcome to another video. We just ended the day with a $1,317 profit. I'm going to show you exactly how I did this. If you want to just skip over to the live trades, there's a link at the top of the description. It's a super simple signal strategy that anybody could follow. It's called trend surfing. It's on a 1-minute chart using TRADINGVIEW. You're going to want to add the SuperTrend indicator, and we're going to modify the settings. So you just click on it here, the settings tab right here. You change the ATR period to 1 and the ATR multiplier to 1.5. And then the signals are going to be changing super fast, as you can see. So you buy after the 1-minute candle closes, after the SuperTrend signal changes. So you got a buy signal over here. This candle closed, so your entry point is right there. For a loss, you sell when the signal changes again, or your max stop loss is 0.8%. For the win, sell half at 0.3%, set stop loss where you bought it. So our entry going long is right here, and then at 0.3%, you sell half of your position, and then you set a stop loss where you bought it, and then you continue to sell every 0.3% rise, depending on where the resistance is, until you get the sell signal over here, and then you'd exit your full position over here. So you can see this trade worked out really well. And then this right here, then you'd be going short, and you can see it quickly reverses. So you'd be in right here going short, and then take a 0.3% loss right there, and then you switch sides and you'd be going long over here, and then that would be a profitable trade there. And then you just continue the process for 1 hour, the first hour of the market open. These are the back tests for it. 47 days, taking about 4 to 10 trades a day. The result is 19.1%. That's around 100% a year. All right, so now we're going to go back in time to the live trading this morning, and you can see exactly how we did it. All right, the market just opened. We're on a buy signal here. We'll see if this first candle closes with a buy signal. We'll go long if it does, and then we'll go short if it closes with a sell signal. Okay, we just crossed the resistance there of the pre-market. So when you have a big green candle like this, it's definitely high risk to get in, because usually it comes right back down, especially in the mornings. Huge green candle over here. Nervous about getting in at this level. Okay, we're in. Set a limit order to sell at our first profit target over there. Almost hitting over there. It's definitely nerve-wracking to watch it. Okay, we hit our first profit target over there. Set a stop loss for the remainder of our position. This is our next sell target over here at 0.6. Okay, we had just had our stop loss hit, and now we're going to wait for a sell signal, and then we're going to be going short. Okay, so we're getting the sell signal here. We had a big run up over here that I missed because the stop loss hit. That's kind of been happening a lot. I might take a look at that, adjust the plan a little. Would have to do a lot of back testing before I make a decision on that. But finally, we have another opportunity here. The candle's about to close. See if it closes with a sell signal. Okay, we're going short. That's our first profit target there. If it hits that, that's going to get rid of half of the position. That's our max stop loss over here. Our profit target just hit, and I set a stop loss of where we bought at right there for the remainder of the position. Okay, so again, that was just a small win. The stop loss just hit where we bought at, up $369 on the day. And again, we set an alert for the SuperTrend direction change. And then when it goes back to a buy, then we're going to be going long again. Tesla's up 2.5% on the day. It's been doing pretty poorly, but just consolidating here the last couple weeks. Direction's really unclear. That's kind of why I always prefer to make the trade risk-free right away. and just take a smaller profit. Obviously, sometimes you miss these big moves. This would have been 1.9% gain, but it kind of is what it is. It saved me so many times, so I'm not too mad about it. All right, so we got the buy signal here. The candle is about to close, so we might be going long in a couple seconds here. We're really at the resistance of the high of the day. So I'd want to take at least some profits up here at the resistance. But the candle did just close without the buy signal, so we're going to hold off on this trade. Okay, again, we're getting the buy signal right at the resistance here. So we're basically anticipating a break of that. Okay, we're in going long right now. I just hit the first profit target over there, set the stop loss to where we bought at. We got an order set over here to sell an additional quarter of our position. Okay, that just hit, so we sold another quarter. We're going to set a stop loss where we bought at. Next profit target is usually over here at 0.9%, but I want to take a look at the chart to see where our next resistance is. We got over here to 199. Before that, also here around 199, also here, and then this level right here around 199. So yeah, right here I think is definitely a good place to take more profits. So you can see now why I set that stop loss where I bought at right here when we were shorting. We definitely don't want to have a green trade turn into a red trade, especially on a bullish day like this. Okay, we just sold another quarter of our position. We're going to sell another quarter if we reach this target right here. We're at that major 199 resistance. 200 is usually where it drops. So if we break 200, I think it's going to shoot straight up, and then, or we could just get rejected right here. Okay, missed it a little. It just shot down as I sold, but we got rid of some more on that level. Then I want to go back to the chart, look at the last month, what's been going on here. So you can see we just sold a bunch at this resistance right here, the current level that we're on. The next level up, about 1% higher, is like right around this level right here of 201. So this would be our next profit target way up here. But currently we might be getting a sell signal. Okay, we're fully out of that trade, and we're currently shorting because we did get the sell signal. This is where I'd be taking profits. My first profit target to sell half. This is my max loss over here. All right, we just sold a quarter. Oh, sorry, we sold half at our first profit target. Set a stop loss to where we bought at. And you can see that the stop loss might be hitting right away right now. Okay, stop loss hit where we bought at. All right, we're up 1,300 on the day. I usually stop trading in about 10 minutes here. I just do the first hour of the market open. So we'll see if we get another signal. All right, so while we're kind of watching that, see what it does. Wanted to do the reminders for the day. So the reminder today is just keep it simple. All you need is one stock and one strategy to make a good living. It's tempting to strategy hop and switch between stocks after a couple losses, but losses are a part of the plan and do not mean that the plan is not working. So the last couple days have been red, 3 red days in a row. This is the back test for this strategy, trend surfing. So today was only 4 trades, but usually I do I average around 6 trades a day. So for 47 days, the total P&L is 19.1%, which is over 100% a year. So it's great. And with large position size, that's the only strategy you'll ever need to basically do this full time. But the past 3 days have been red, 3 days in a row. So that's like really bad psychologically. I just wanted to like stop trading this plan altogether. But I got to keep reminding myself that in the long run, it works. The problem that I'm having is when I have a red day like this, then I just won't accept it, and I'll just keep trading. At the end of the day, try to make it back, and that's when the losses get bigger. So really, you just got to close out the charts at the end of the day where you traded your plan, you did everything right, but it was a red day, and just be able to sit with that and know that it's okay. That's kind of the key to success. Okay, it is past 10:30. It's been 1 hour, so that does it for today. Please subscribe and like the videos. I'm going to be posting a bunch like this. And also let me know in the comments what you think of this strategy, how it can be improved, or if you've tried it yourself. And remember, go all in responsibly. Always focus on risk management. And we will see you again tomorrow.